Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Holikme 30-pack drill brush attachment set. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing and cleaning, then this set is perfect for you. With 30 pieces, including different purpose drill power scrubber brushes, scouring pads, scrub sponge, and an extended reach attachment, this set has everything you need to make cleaning a breeze. The 5 different stiffness nylon bristles are perfect for cleaning various surfaces without the worry of scratches. Plus, the scouring pads are great for tackling tough kitchen messes like oven, stove, and sink cleaning. But that's not all. The set also includes sponge polishing pads and white wool buffer pads for car detailing and polishing. It's a professional wool and foam pad buffing, polishing, and finishing system all in one. So, if you're ready to cut down your cleaning time and achieve sparkling results, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the Holikme 30-pack drill brush attachment set. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tutorials. Happy cleaning!